You don't need 1 million followers to start making money on TikTok. TikTok is the fastest growing social media platform, perfect for growing your audience. It's effective for promoting your business and even your brand. TikTok allows you to reach for new people by pushing your content for the users who have engaged with videos in the same category. It makes you visible and gives you potential leads for your business. So this video is all about starting a successful business on TikTok by using the algorithm to your advantage. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just getting started, these methods are easy and simple to follow. We're gonna cover everything from the current TikTok monetization options, like the Creator Fund, Creativity Program, and TikTok Creator Marketplace, to all the new ways like this secret hack that most creators don't want you to know. So you need to try it now before everybody else catches on. First, let's talk about the most common ways creators earn money on TikTok. Number 1, Creator Fund. This was the first way for creators to earn money based on views and engagement. It's available only in specific countries, and new creators cannot even join because TikTok is shutting it down. You can switch to their new Creativity Program instead. This new program offers higher payouts than the Creator Fund. To qualify, you need at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the month before applying. Your monetized videos also need to be longer than 1 minute. Number 3, TikTok Creator Marketplace. If you can't directly monetize from your TikToks, try the TikTok Creator Marketplace. This feature lets brands and creators collaborate. By signing up, brands can find you and other creators for their campaign. TikTok's monetization options have restrictions that make it challenging to even start earning, especially if you're a new creator with a small follower base. And now, here's the newest and most exciting way to make money on TikTok: paid online challenges. TikTok users love to join challenges because they are fun and engaging. I even did one myself with a 30-day Spanish-speaking challenge. So inviting people to your paid challenge is easy. With paid online challenges, you don't depend on eligibility or the number of streams. And you can definitely earn more than TikTok's standard payout rates. And here's how you can do it. Create a challenge. Think of a fun and engaging challenge that aligns with your niche. Use TikTok's polls to see what interests your audience. Struggling to find ideas? You can use this free AI tool to come up with a challenge idea in just 1 click. Next, you need tools to track the progress of your participants. Free community platforms like Nasio are great for this. Go to Nasio/TikTok Business and sign up for a community. Go to Challenges tab and create your challenge. Name it, upload a cover photo, and set it as a paid challenge. Here's how it looks like. Using checkpoints, challenges can be broken down 1 step at a time. These are tasks that our participants must accomplish to make progress. Customize the frequency and deadlines to keep everyone engaged. Your participants can download the app to join the challenge and track their progress when it starts. You can also add your challenge group chat so you can easily communicate with your participants. Participants can automatically join the chat once they complete the payment. Preview your challenge landing page and hit publish once it's ready to go. If you have an existing course, you can easily change it into a challenge. Use your learning modules as checkpoints and make them actionable and result-driven. And here's how you can use TikTok to promote your challenge and get participants. Use your TikTok account to generate buzz by creating a series of teaser stories that build anticipation. Create a reel to announce your online challenge and put the link in your bio as your call to action. Go live to directly interact with your followers, answer their questions, and highlight the benefits of joining the challenge. For participants, here's an exciting part: rewards. People love rewards. It even makes the challenge more worth it. Knowing that there's a prize along with personal transformation encourages people to join and pay. For some creators, rewards can be free consultations, meetups, or digital products. You can also collaborate with brands to sponsor the challenge and offer prizes for the winners. So, how can you start making money on TikTok today? It's not about gaining millions of followers, but it's about focusing on growing a genuine, engaged follower base. Post consistently, engage with your audience, and stay true to your brand. Don't be afraid to explore different monetization options outside of TikTok. You can even start a paid membership, sell your digital products, sell event tickets, or offer one-on-one coaching sessions. Just try and see which monetization method works best for you to maximize your earnings and grow online. If you're wondering, has anybody done this before? Here's Wariko Ankur's Hustle 100 Challenge, with more than 2,000 participants ready to make their first $100 online. The secret is staying creative, authentic, and most importantly, engaged with your audience to transform your TikTok into a thriving source of income. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to earn money using paid challenges.